In the bustling kitchen of the Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beary Blossom and their pals were getting ready for the cook-off. It was the big day, and the excitement was sizzling hotter than a pan on the stove. "Okay, team, let's show those cooking wolves what we're made of," Chef Beary exclaimed, clapping their paws together. The mini chefs scurried around, grabbing everything they needed for their dish. Bunny Baker hopped over to the cupboard and pulled out a bright red bowl. "One red bowl, check!" Bunny shouted, proudly displaying the bowl for all to see. Meanwhile, Panda Pâtissier reached for not one, but 2 yellow whisks, spinning them around like a pro. "2 yellow whisks! These are gonna whisk us to victory!" Panda cheered, twirling the whisks in the air. Kitty Cooks dashed over to the counter and grabbed 3 green spatulas, juggling them with ease. "3 green spatulas! Ready to flip and flop our way to first place?" Kitty giggled, tossing a spatula into the air and catching it with a flourish. Not to be outdone, Squirrel Sous Chef scurried over with a handful of veggies, counting them as they went. 4 tomatoes, 5 carrots, and 6 apples, all the colours of the rainbow, Squirrel chirped, arranging the colourful veggies on the cutting board. As they worked, they chatted and laughed, their excitement filling the kitchen with energy. "I can smell victory already," Bunny exclaimed, cracking an egg into the red bowl. "Yeah, and it smells delicious," Panda added, whisking up a storm. Suddenly, disaster struck. One of the cooking wolves snuck into the kitchen and spilled flour all over their workstation. "Oh no! What a mess!" Kitty cried, wrinkling their nose at the floury chaos. Chef Beary surveyed the scene, their brow furrowed in determination. "No worries, team. We've got this. Let's clean up and get back to cooking." With a flurry of activity, they quickly cleaned up the mess and gathered fresh ingredients to start over. "All right, everyone. Let's finish strong," Chef Beary rallied, their voice filled with determination. Bunny cracked eggs into the red bowl, while Panda whipped up a creamy saucy with the yellow whisks. Kitty chopped vegetables with the green spatulas, and Squirrel arranged them on the cutting board, ready to be cooked. Despite the setback, the mini chefs remained focused and determined. With each ingredient they added, their dish began to take shape, bursting with vibrant colours and delicious aromas. Finally, after hours of hard work, their masterpiece was ready. Chef Beary carefully plated the dish, arranging each component with precision and care. The judges, impressed by the mini chef's creativity and teamwork, eagerly took a bite. Delicious," one of the judges exclaimed, their mouth full of food. "This is the best dish I've ever tasted." With smiles on their faces, Chef Beary and their team accepted the trophy, proud of what they had accomplished together. And as they celebrated their victory, they knew that no matter what challenges came their way, they would always triumph with teamwork and determination.